Welcome to another episode of my Python tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about data types. So what are data types in Python? So first discuss about the overview of a computer program. In a computer program there is data. This data is first stored in the computer's memory. Then the computer processes it and gives us the output. For easier handling of this data, we classify data into different types and these are called as data types. In Python, data is classified as string, integers, float, complex number. Let's open our terminal, type Python. So Python interpreter is on. I will create a variable first. So what is a variable? A variable is simply a name or a memory element to which you can store different types of data or data of different data types. Suppose let's create a variable, its name is x. Now assign a value inside that variable. Suppose that is my name. So what I have done here, x is equal to, inside a quotation I have written my name. So the right hand side is a string. So what is a string? A string is simply a set of characters between quotation. So I have assigned my name string into the x variable. You can see that x is equal to my name. Other way of creating strings is like this. This is the same thing as the above one. You can also write it like this. Okay, so you can check x is name. So x is a variable which stores data of type string. With the type function, we can check the type of the data stored in a variable. So here we have stored string, that's why it's showing string. Let x be 23. So what is integer? Integers are whole numbers which can be negative, positive or 0. It can be a binary number, a octadecimal number, a hexadecimal number or a decimal number. So here x is equal to 23, which is decimal number. Let's check the type of x, and it's showing us integer as int. Create a binary number, type 0 then b then the binary value. Binary of 3 is 1 1. So here x is 3. To create a octal number, type 0 o then the octal value. So octal 23 is decimal 19. Similarly, we can create a hexadecimal number by typing 0x then the hexadecimal value. So hexadecimal 23 is decimal 35. Now let's go to the floating point number or the floats. So what are floats? Floats are a decimal number. Any real number can be written as a floating point number. 23.0, a fraction, a decimal number, exponential number can be classified as float. Here let's x is equal to 12.5. Now check the type. Type of x is float. Another data type is complex number. Suppose 1 plus 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus 2j. Then check type of x. So here x is a complex number where 1 is the real part and 2 is its imaginary part. So these are data types in Python programming language. So thank you for watching this video. In the next tutorial We will be discussing variables, operators, and expressions in Python.